is 6 a.m. This is the Habitat for Humanity barbecue for building. There's Liz. That's her husband, Corey. This is Connie. That's Jim.
Hey, I'm invading your video.
That's Sly.
That's right.
1077.
Absolutely.
We hate him.
Come on.
We don't hate him.
No, we don't. That's Rob that was talking all the trash, which guess what? Where is he?
Where is Rob?
Yeah, he's not here yet.
He's asleep. Hey. This is what it looks like at the wee small hours of the morning.
Yes.
Check back later to see what it looks like a little bit later on. Oh, here's my baby Delilah. Delilah, my baby. Don't worry, she's getting ready to go to the bathroom now. This is what it looks like to go full bore barbecue 2015 Habitat for Humanity. These people are making people's choice. These people are smoking. These people are, I don't know what the hell they're doing, but I'm sure it's important. Nobody here yet, but we're still 2 hours away from the gate opening.
12:36.
And this is what it looks like when it's full of people. There's Liz. There's Brisket Man. There's Wesley. There's Jim. There's Corey. Oh, there's the chicken. These are the ribs that I cooked earlier. Yeah, baby, this is the Habitat for Humanity barbecue. Now, Delilah is sitting back in the shade in her little tiny hole while we wait to find out who won. We're hoping it's us. We don't know. My ribs were awesome. But she looks happy.
People's choice. How about a big hand and congratulations for Outlaw Barbecue? Holding the Habitat hammer.
That hurts a lot. We really
And maybe a little hammer themselves.
What?
Just a little bit. I think I nailed it.
So to speak.
You see what I did there? And finally, your grand champion winners.
Come on.
Of the Habitat for Humanity barbecue for building.
Don't drag it out, Simon Cowell.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulate Savage Brothers.
We won those trophies. Well, I'm sure all of them.
They all look so savage to me.
Don't forget to tune in weekdays 1 to 5, 1070 WAPI or 1070WAPI.com.